हाँ सर, अब आप लाइव हैं और स्क्रीन पर आपकी पीपीटी भी शो हो रही है और आप भी शो हो रहे हैं।
Okay, okay, madam. Thank you.
प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
Thank you.
मोस्ट
Thank you,
वेलकम
madam.
सर।
Good morning, everybody. And first, I must Vijaya to all of you, convey my regards and respects to all the viewers via the Science Community Creators channel group, and convey my regards to Chairperson Tripathi ji sir and also convener Gita ma'am ji. And just we are ending our festive seasons with pomp and grandeur. All the Durga Puja festival is our great festival in our state Bengal. And today I'm just presenting my topic, millets, a superfood or a diet fad. Before presenting the details, let me introduce myself that I'm Krishnendu De, an assistant teacher of Kanchannagar Diandas High School, and it is in Purbo Bardhaman in West Bengal. So, just I am presenting the topic millets, a superfood or a diet fad. And first, you are seeing that millets figure, and first I am showing here the millets of first stage, and middle is second stage, and just third is last stage. If I divided the whole screen into 3 months, so you get the first column in the first month, and middle in the second month, or third column in the third month, because total life cycle of millet is 3 to 4 months. So I divided the screen into 1 month, and 1 month. So it is a first row is 1 month, and second row is middle row is second month, and third row is last month. Total life cycle of millet is 3 to 4 months, and the at the attractive point is that I'm showing in the third row, that is millet for food, and the last picture, millet for fodder. That is, the goats are chewing or eating millets peel. So here you get that we are using the full grass of the millets. That is the fruit eaten by our human people, and the rest is consumed by our animals, household, our goat or cow, etc. So the next screen, I'm showing that it is a millet. It is a small seeded grass that are cultivated as a grain crop, primarily in the marginal land in dry area, that is temperate and subtropical and tropical regions. So before I'm just small introduce what is temperate zone. Just temperate zone is a middle temperature area located between subtropical and polar region, and northern India lying above the Tropic of Cancer. Just I'm showing what is Tropic of Cancer. Here it is, if you go round is Earth, and middle of the Earth line is equator, and 23rd and half north is Tropic of Cancer, and 23rd and half south is Tropic of Capricorn, and it is North Pole, that is Arctic Circle, and it is South Pole, Antarctic Circle. So the total circles or line of the Earth. So here is the Tropic of Cancer. So northern India, lying above the Tropic of Cancer, usually experience temperate climates, and the southern part of India usually experience tropical climate conditions. The tropic includes equator and parts of Asia, and tropic accounts 36% of the earth land mass and are home to about a third one third of the world people. The tropics are naturally warm and generally warm all the year, average, and the temperature averaging 25 to 28 degrees Celsius throughout the year. So, uh, may I mention what is the tropical zone in India? Just I before I already mentioned the Asia part, and now I am just mentioning what is the tropical zone in India, so-called Bharat. The tropical wet monsoon climate of India, that is coastal region of Kerala, South Assam, and Malabar Hills, where average rainfalls is under 1500 to 2000 millimeter on the yearly basis. These regions in the country have high to moderate temperature throughout the year. Heavy rainfall occurs between just May, June to October, November, and this time already happened. Tropical zone. And if we if I mention that is subtropical zone, that is humid subtropical climate is a zone that is characteristic by hot and humid summer and cool to mild winter. Is India in subtropical region? Now, almost half of the country lying south of the Tropic of Cancer, belongs to tropical area, and the remaining area north of the tropical lies to subtropics. Thereafter, India's climate has characteristics of tropical as well as subtropical region. So just I am mentioning the dry areas, that is temperate, subtropical, and tropical region. Just a small introduction. And you know that our India has achieved it, has achieved step by step its civilization. And if I mention the Indus civilization, that is very ancient, old our civilization. We cannot forget our this civilization, Indus civilization. And at that time, people are growing. People grew their plants as a grass. The earlier evidence of these grains, that is millets, has been found in Indus civilization, and was one of the first plants domesticated for plants. Not only domesticated animal, at that time people also domesticated for plants, that is millets. And millets with India, it is grown about 131 countries and is a traditional food. It is a traditional food of 60 crore people. Not only India, India is now 140 crore people above. But millets is a traditional food around 60 crore people. It is our pride that India is the largest producer of millets in the world. So largest producer of the country, among the country, India is one of the best, and it accounts 20% global production and 80% of Asia's production. Millets are drought resistant uh, and can grow in poor soil condition, suitable crops for area with unpredictable weather pattern and water scarcity, versatile crops option for farmers, and it is grown in traditional farming methods, which are more sustainable and environment friendly than modern industrial farming practice. And the fruit is eaten by human and peel is eaten by animals. Nutritionists believe that millets are many times better than wheat and rice. I will show later in my slide. And millets are rich in iron, zinc, calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamins, and proteins. All are micronutrients. And here I am showing the picture, that is map of India. And if you see that in map, from upper side, Jammu Kashmir, Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, uh, part of Kerala, all these parts, millets are grown. But unfortunately, I am from West Bengal. Here, millets are grown very, very less, mainly cereals, wheat and rice. Yeah, and my district is a largest producer of rice. Our district, Bardhaman. So, in India, the color part are states that produce millets. So here you can guess that 80% producers are from India. Here I look that benefits. What are the benefits of eating millet? Millet high in protein. Here protein is high dietary fiber, and micronutrients, antioxidants, and people with celiac disease. It is very good for them, and also it is helps in improve digestion. So I mentioned what is dietary fiber. Dietary fiber includes the parts of plants food that your body cannot digest or absorb. So our body cannot digest or absorb. This is dietary fiber. And if I clear to you that what is micronutrient meaning, micronutrient, here I mentioned micronutrient are vitamins and minerals needed by body in very small amounts. However, their impact on a body health are critical, and deficiency in any one of them can cause severe and even life-threatening conditions. Humans must obtain micronutrients from food since your body cannot produce vitamins and minerals for the most part. Here I also the word mentioned that antioxidant. Now I clear to you that what is antioxidant. Antioxidant is substance such as vitamin C or E that removes potentially damaging oxidizing agent in our living organism. Antioxidants are man-made or natural substances that may prevent or delay some types of cell damage. Antioxidants are man-made that may prevent or delay some types of cell damage. Now, I must mention that what are the three benefits of antioxidant. Just three benefits of antioxidant. Just I must mention that three benefits of antioxidant because some they reduce oxidative stress. They support disease prevention. They support eye health. They aid in brain function, and antioxidants can contribute to mental health improvement. Antioxidants can reduce inflammation. Antioxidants support health aging process. These are some benefits of getting our daily serving of antioxidants. And also, I mentioned the sentence that people with celiac disease. What is celiac disease? Now, just I am clearing that celiac disease is a chronic digestive and immune disorder that the small intestine. Damage the small intestine. That I am just showing in figure. What is our small intestine? It is a digestive system, just a part before our last part. That is small intestine. Here our digestive systems, and that is absorption occurs, and it is a part of duodenum, jejunum, and ileum, and the three parts of small intestine. Here, the celiac disease happen in this part because celiac disease is a chronic disease. Celiac disease and immune disorder damage our small intestine, and it is damage our this part. So the disease is triggered by eating foods containing gluten. Just a new word to you, dear students, that it is a gluten. What is gluten? Now, gluten is a protein found naturally in our food, that is wheat, barley, and you eat common food daily, such as bread, pasta, cookies, cakes, and you get gluten. That is, you are eating daily gluten that may damage your small intestine part. Now, just I am mentioning that may help regulate blood sugar level. Blood sugar levels, it is helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Now I mentioned that mentioning that what is blood sugar? Blood glucose. That is, sugar means glucose. Blood glucose. Blood glucose or blood sugar. Commonly, it is heard you all that it blood sugar, and that is blood and sugar. The two different word, blood and sugar. And commonly blood sugar, we are already, people are known the disease, the problem. Blood sugar is the main sugar found in our blood. It is our body's primary source of energy. uh, so the sugar or glucose is our primary source of energy. And where you get, it comes from the food you eat. Your body breaks down most of that food into glucose and release it in your bloodstream. That is blood sugar. So the common term blood sugar and diabetes we are hearing in our daily life. Is the blood sugar and diabetes same? Now, diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, that is also called blood sugar, is too high. Then diabetes happens. Glucose is your body's main source of energy. Your body can make glucose, but glucose also comes from the food you eat. So just short description about blood sugar. And next, so millets may help lower cholesterol level. It is a new term, dear students, to you. That is cholesterol. Cholesterol. What is cholesterol? Now, cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance, and that your body needs for good health, but in the right amounts. Also, I'm mentioning that it is very right amounts. Unhealthy levels of, of cholesterol can lead to a condition called high blood cholesterol. Cholesterol in your body is carried on lipoprotein, and low density lipoprotein, sometimes called bad cholesterol. And what happened? What causes a high cholesterol? Now, just I am showing in figure also, and it is our heart and different artery and veins, circulating motion of our blood. And in figure, just here mentioned that too much cholesterol in your body, in the body, can create blockage, leading to heart and circulatory disease. So what causes a high cholesterol? High cholesterol is when you have too much of fatty substance called cholesterol in your body. It is mainly caused by eating fatty food, not exercising enough, being overweight, smoking, and also drinking alcohol may cause your high cholesterol, and it can also run in families. And, it is also a problem. You can lower your cholesterol by eating healthy and getting more exercise. That is in your daily life. If you do, then you can get relief from this disease blockage that leads your heart and circulatory disease. Uh, Now I must mention different types of millets that are grown in India. First, I am showing that ragi. Ragi is called finger millet, and popularly known as ragi in India. Finger millet grows in slightly colder climate region. It is rich in amino acid and protein. It facilitates brain growth in growing children. So, in addition, it has high concentration of calcium and iron, micronutrients, and which are beneficial for bones and red blood corpuscle formation. And this is our ragi. This is a part of ragi finger millet. Now I am showing Amarnath millet, that is Veriga. Here the picture of Veriga. And Veriga also rich in protein and dietary fiber. Already I mentioned dietary fiber. What is dietary fiber? And that is not digested our digestive system. And also protein, it is a healthy millet that improves digestion and cholesterol level. As a result, it is beneficial for your cardiovascular health. In addition, it is high in calcium, vitamins, and other minerals. Now the next part is bajra, that is foxtail millet. It is rich in carbohydrates that help balance blood sugar levels. In addition, it has high iron content. And finally, for growing children, it helps develop a healthy immune system. Next, sorghum millet, that is jowar, also known, rich in micronutrients and protein, iron, fiber. It also has high antioxidants, help uh, boost the body's metabolism. Boost the body's metabolism. Next, sama, that is barnyard millet. It is healthy millet, rich in dietary fiber. As a result, it helps regulate bowel movements. In addition, its high calcium and phosphorus content helps strengthen bone density, which is essential for children. Next, I must mention many types of millets, that is in our earth, in our world. So 20 types of millets, that is very difficult for me. Such presentation. I'm already presenting. I'm just presenting six types of millet that is grown in India. Next, I mentioned that kudo millet. It is digestible millet that contains calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. In addition, it significantly strengthens the nervous system. So you see that all types of millets here develops our body systems, body's growth, and also body function. Next, I am showing that health benefits of millets. Here in picture, you see that millets are rich in fiber, which supports digestion and helps prevent constipation. It is also a problem, constipation. Finger millet is a major source of calcium and which helps maintain bone health. You have the picture bone health. And also as they have low to medium glycemic index, which are an excellent choice of those with diabetes. So the new term here I present glycemic index. Just I a short description about what is glycemic index. Glycemic index means it is a measurement. It is a measure of how quickly a food causes our blood sugar levels to rise. That is glycemic index. And the major ranks of food on a scale from 0 to 100, foods with high glycemic index, most of the presentation is GI, are quickly digestive and absorbed, causing a rapid rise in blood sugar. So just the here you get low to medium glycemic index. So it is useful our body, our immune system. That is excellent choice millets. And for those people who are suffering from diabetes, so diabetes people, our my soft advice: please you eat millets so much you can. And here a runner, I'm showing a picture runner, being a major source of energy because you get a lot of energy source from millets. They help in your fitness journey. So get your fitness ready. If you millets regular, also in regulated way. And the picture here it is measuring weight. Already we see in our doctor's chambers. The fiber content keeps you full for a long time, helping in weight management. Helping in weight management. Next, I just presenting that our daily food most we consume rice and wheat, cooked wheat and cooked rice. The major parts, major or you can say most parts of India. So what 1 kg, just I'm showing that 100 grams of cooked rice, what you get, 100 of cooked wheat, what you get, and 100 grams of cooked millets, what you get. And if you rice, if you think rice, you get 130 kilocalorie energy, but your millets have 120, that is 120 kilocalorie energy, and protein 2.69 gram, and millets you get protein 3.51 gram. That's much better, and fat 0.28, and you get fat 1 gram, and carbohydrate 28.2 gram. But if you think carbohydrate for millets, that is 23.7 gram, and for wheat it is 71.2 gram. Fiber for cooked rice 0.4 gram, but for millet it is 1.3 gram. So you get much more fiber. Vitamin 0.04 milligram. Here you get 0.02 milligram, and calcium 10 milligram, but you get calcium 3 milligram. Iron 1.2. Here you get 0.63 milligram, and cooked millet you get zinc 0.91 milligram, sodium 2 milligram, and magnesium 44 milligram, and also it has easy to cook. Here I just am showing bar diagram. That is the red part of bar, the is wheat, and blue part is rice, and also green part, and green and other color are presenting millet. That is kudo millet, foxtail millet, and little millet. You can just comparing different types of food values from the bar diagram. Next, in my presentation, I'm showing that millets an approach for sustainable agriculture and healthy world. Sustainable agriculture and healthy world. Just I'm showing that it is in column food security. So it is a sustainable food source for combating hunger in changing world climate, resistant to climate stress, pest, and disease. It is millet. It's not a good choice for pest. Nutritional security, that is, it is rich in micronutrients like calcium, iron, zinc, iodine, rich in bioactive compounds and better amino profile, acid profile. Safety from disease, already mentioned. Gluten free, a substitute for wheat in celiac disease. Low glycemic index, a good food for diabetic person, can help to combat cardiovascular disease, anemia, calcium deficiency. And if you look economic security, that is climate resilient crop, sustainable income source for farmers, low investment needed for production, and it is value addition can lead to economic gains. It is very value addition. Just production is not enough because if we cannot store the millets, so it will spoil for the days. And how we can storage or preservation, that is very important for our food security. Millets can be stored in a pantry, freezer, or container, even in plastic bags. Just we usually see you can store in a pantry for 6 to 8 months. So in a plastic in a box or a tin container, you can save them 6 to 8 months. Moreover, they can be stored in a freezer for more than a year. They are mostly bought in a plastic bag, but after opening the bag, you must care about that they should be sealed tightly. These are storage and preservation. And here I draw the line, bottom line. What is the bottom line? Many people in India are not aware the health benefits of millets, leading to low demand. It is a very much good point that our people in India are not very alert because they are not aware their health benefits. But if they know the health benefits of millets are good, they can consume daily. So the people are not aware health benefits of millets, leading to low demand. Naturally, we see the millets are often priced higher than traditional cereals, that is rice and wheat. They're very much available to open market, so they quickly purchase rice and wheats and mm, and so for their hunger, uh, uh, making them less accessible to low income consumers, because Indian people are not rich person, they are most of the moderate or poor persons. so they cannot purchase a higher priced millets in their daily life. It's a good point. Millets are widely available in traditional and modern e-commerce retail market. Millets are not selling in our daily shop that is available in our local shop. Millets majorly available in e-commerce retail. So people of low income group can afford to enter big bazaar or so-called e-commerce retail market. So it is difficult for low income group consumers to purchase them. People believe that millets have a blunt and unpleasant taste. Not only I agree it is a blunt or unpleasant taste because we usually eat rice, wheat. So we also love to eat rice and wheat in our daily life. So if I get another food, so it is naturally get blunt and unpleasant sometimes to some people. So some people believe that millets have a blunt and unpleasant taste, and naturally which discourage them for consuming daily. The cultivation of millets is often associated with low yields and low profitability, which can discourage farmers from growing them. So, if they grow rice or wheat, they can profit much more because most of the people now consume rice and wheat, a larger part of our India. So after selling, farmers can profit much more uh, than cultivation of millet, so which can discourage farmers from growing them. India has not provided enough support to promote cultivation and consumption of millets, which has limited their growth. It is a point our government, uh, so our 140 crore people, so it is not possible for our single government to look all the people, all the farmers at a time, but we have a good rationing systems in our country, India. So India has not provided enough support to promote cultivation and consumption of millets, which has limited their growth. And what are the disadvantage? I must mention that all the benefits I'm just mentioned here. Now, if I look the disadvantages of millets, millets are safe when consumed in adequate amounts. It is also very good point. When we consumed in adequate amount, so millets are safe. It is a staple food that millions of farmers consume them as a daily part of their diet. However, there is a limit to everything. If consumed excessively, it may result in adverse side effect. For example, it may result in iodine deficiency and goiter formation, skin dryness, slow thinking, and depression also occur due to overuse of millet. I must mention that if overuse of millets can happen goiter. Here it is a goiter disease, uh, goiter, mm, and the next is screen dryness. It is a part of screen as draining. And next, very good picture. I'm showing that it is a brain, and a snail is engulfed our brain gradually. That is our slow thinking. It is a slow thinking. And the next is student is just keeping is just sitting in front of laptop, and backside is a blackboard. Lot of geometry is happening in our brain, but he cannot decide what to think, what to take this time, what to take step this time, and it is just called depression. So overuse of millets can result these types of disease, that is goiter formation, skin dryness, slow thinking, and depression. Just I just mention that what steps to be taken. That is, awareness is a problem, so we can drive awareness drive in our local area, in our presentation, in our seminar, in our daily procession by students, by school students, or local people with the local people. Lack of awareness about millets and their health benefits can be addressed through education and promotion. So we are the teacher, and also you are with us, and that via learning we can make them understand the good side of millet, and also promotion by our administrations and our government. And the perception of millets as poor man's food, it is commonly in our country that millets is poor man's food. It is absolutely false, and that it is just and it is common sentence that perception of millets as poor man's food need to be changed through marketing and promotion, and also improving processing technique, food processing technique. We just take in a proper way. Increasing the availability of value added products can make them more appealing them to consumers. Collaboration between farmers, processors, and marketers. So only production is not enough. So it is processing of food and marketing of the food can help increase the supply and demand of millets. Millet revolution driven by growing awareness of health and environmental benefits of millets, as well as efforts revive traditional agriculture practice and support small scale farmers. It is seen as a solution to country's dual challenge, that is improving public health and promoting sustainable agriculture. Next, I just mention some benefits. What are the ecological benefits? Millets have a shallow root system and require minimum fertilizers, making them an environment-friendly crop. They also act as a natural barrier against soil erosion, and short growth of cycle allow for crop rotation only 3 to 4 months, which helps in maintaining soil health. So these are ecological benefits, and benefits of millet production and consumption. The millets are dual purpose crops. It is cultivated both as food and fodder, provide food, livelihood, security to millions of households, and contributing to economic efficiency of farming. Millets contribute to mitigating climate changes as it helps reduce the atmospheric carbon pressure CO2. And how do millets benefit the environment? And ability to isolate carbon is a good side of millet. As millets have more branches, they provide better fodder too. Millets crop also have a good ability to isolate carbon, so help climate adaptation, considering the water needs and methane emission of rice fields. Millets has relatively low carbon footprint compared to other foods. So low carbon footprint, because it takes around 2 kg carbon dioxide roughly to produce 1 kilogram of cereals. and you can say roughly car driving of 7 kilometers. So millet consume such types of carbon dioxide in their growing life cycle. And not just I mentioned social benefits of millets, apart from the direct benefits to nutrition and food security, as well as their low water footprint, millets have certain indirect benefits. They help small farmers in efficient crop rotation because as they require only 60 to 90 days, uh, 2 to 3 months to mature, while other grains such as rice wheat takes up to 4 months, 5 months. So, can you say that millets is a future crops? Obviously, I can say, and you also. Here are some other reasons why millets are considered to be the future food of the earth, and they are climate resilient crop that can withstand drought, heat, and poor soil conditions. They are nutrient rich crop that high in protein, fiber, and vitamins. So, just before ending, I personally say that millet is a smart food of India. So the year 2023, that year International Year of Millets is totally successful, because now the before last month of the year, November, we already gradually make understand or make them alert and beneficiary of millet throughout the year via seminar, via rally, and also local newspaper news channel, that various benefits of millets throughout the year. And just we take that it is a very successful achievement, because we already got our results that International Year of Millets 2023 is totally successful. So just I'm mentioning it is a smart food of India. So thank you all viewers for giving me an opportunity to serve you better, and for your patience and time, and also thank you for your assistance.